We're going to be looking at liquid threats, so precursors to and explosive liquid components. Again, as with any of our tests, if you're really not sure as to what are positive indications, do a blind test, do an absolute negative. So in this liquid here, we have pure tap drinking water. So in theory, if it's pure tap drinking water, nothing is going to happen when we put it onto the test strip. So I've wetted the swab with the water, and I'm just going to go down each of the tests and nothing appreciably happens. You get a little bit of dye coming off on the actual swab tip, but that's just coloration off the printed reagents itself. We'll use that as a comparison. Now, these two suspicious liquids here look identical. One of them is actually tap water, I don't know which one, and one of them actually has explosive precursors, liquid explosive precursors in it. So I really don't know which one's which. I'll mix them up. But essentially what we're looking for is either a massive colour change in any one of these test zones, which indicates that you have a highly volatile compound there, capable of being utilised as a precursor to, or actually an explosive liquid. So what we'll do is open up the actual two containers, and as I say, we'll test each one individually, and we're looking for either no colour change, which means you've got a non-threat item, or a massive colour change, which means you have a threat item. So in any particular order, dipping the swab into the liquid, testing the nothing there. Oh, we're getting massive colour changes there. Well, we've definitely got something that is a real likely threat item there. Let's just for comparison test the other one. And we're getting no appreciable colour changes there. So in summary, you're looking for massive colour changes in any one of these test zones means you have a very high probability of a threat liquid item there.